Hey guys, in this video Anouska's going to show you how to do these super cute love heart nails for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how she did it and what products she used, then just keep on watching. For this look you're going to need a base coat, a baby pink, mint green and baby blue polish, a yellow, lilac, orange and red nail art pen or striper, and of course your favourite top coat. So let's go. We've already applied base coat to all of our nails, and now we're just going to apply a first coat of baby pink polish. Next we applied another coat of the baby pink polish just to make sure there was no streaks and it was a nice even layer. Once that's dry, you can start to paint the Love Heart sweets on your nails, and you can just choose any of your favourite pastel colours for this. It doesn't have to be the same ones that we're using here, and you just want to paint circles that are big enough for you to fit a love heart and some writing in. So depending on how small you like to work with your nail art, you can do bigger circles if you're not confident doing smaller paintings, and you can do small ones if you are really good at working really tiny with small details. Depending on the length and shape of your nail, you can try and fit on more than one sweet per nail. Just remember not to overcrowd it too much because you still want to see that cute baby pink base. Remember not to paint the circles directly in the middle of your nail. You can do them hanging off to the side a bit and at different angles just to make sure the print is a bit more fun and playful. Try and spread out all the different colours that you're using, so you don't want to have two yellow sweets next to each other on the same nail. You want to try and put two different contrasting or complementary colours next to each other just to give the print a bit more of a playful look. By the time you've painted the circles on all of your nails, the first one that you painted should be about dry enough to start doing the nail art on top. So grab your red striper or nail art pen and you can start painting a love heart inside the circle that you painted. Once you've painted your heart, you can choose a cute tiny little message to put inside, and in this one we wrote love spelled L-U-V. And remember, you are going to fit some lettering inside the heart, so try and keep it as big as you can without overlapping the circle. Remember to paint the hearts at slightly different angles in each circle just to make it look as if the sweets are falling down from the sky. You can write literally any messages inside these hearts as long as it fits in without you having to squish all the letters together really tiny. You can write sexy, cute, pretty, hot, buff, peng, whatever. It doesn't matter as long as you can fit it in the space. If you can't think of any messages to write inside your hearts, you can just copy what we're doing here, or even go and buy a packet of Love Hearts to look at what it says on the sweets. You could even try writing someone's name inside the love heart. As long as they've got a really short 3 or 4 letter name like Ben or Amy or something like that, then you'd be able to fit it inside the heart. If they do have a really long name, you can just put their initials or your initials plus their initials, which would also be super cute too. Like I always say, you can use a striper or a nail art pen to do the nail art, Everyone's different, so it just depends what you're more comfortable with using and what gives you the better results. My favourite message that Anouska wrote on my nails is this one that says bye on my thumb. I thought it was so cute and so relevant. Leave your little sweets to dry for about 5 minutes before applying your glossy top coat, although I think this look would be adorable with a matte top coat as well, so if you want to go matte, then go for it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this adorable nail art look and hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. Let us know if you have any ideas for future videos and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!